Good morning, students. In last class, we have studied about the scratch and its a component, and we have studied about types of blocks in scratch. So there are total how many shape blocks are there? Total six type of different shape blocks. So that we have studied. Now today we will study changing the backdrop of the stick. The new backdrop icon are used to change the background of the stick. So this new backdrop will use to change the background of the stick. We can either create our own backdrop or choose any backdrop from available built-in option. Scratch provides 4 different options to change the background. So there are total how many options are there available? 4. So how we can change the background? So we can change like by first one we can choose backdrop from the library. Library means to choose backdrop from the search scratch library. So which is come with the scratch. This scratch software is providing, so we can select from there. So backdrop library windows pop up. The library divided into two categories, two sections. First name is category and theme. So that this library divided into how many sections? Two sections. First is name is category, second name is theme. This backdrop library is divided into two sections. Backdrop library, that is called library and theme. It is divided into two sections. Select desired theme, choose and backdrop from the display list. Okay, then select theme will be set as the backdrop of the. So you can this which theme you want to use, you can select, and that will be used in your scratch pen. Okay, so that this is the first method, choose backdrop from the library which is come with the scratch library. Next is that paint new backdrop, means you can draw, you can paint your on backdrop. This option will open backdrop window editor. So when you will select this one, it will open the backdrop window editor, where we can create a new backdrop window according to our requirement by using pen tools. So by the help of pen tools we can draw. Third one, upload backdrop from file. This clicking on the option from open the select files to upload apps scratch dot swf. This is the extension file name of the scratch dot swf. Dialog box will appear. Select the required file backdrop and click the open button. Desired image will uploaded from the backdrop. Okay, so upload backdrop the file, so you can upload your files from your computer also. Okay, next is that new backdrop from camera. Selecting the option allow us to click an image using built-in camera of our computer system and import to the. So by the help of there is a we know that in the computer there is a camera also. So by this camera also you can import the image, that the background you can also import by the help of camera also. So upload background from file, so we can select the file from a computer, and that also we can use. We can paint, we can choose from the library of the scratch. So there are the 4 methods that we have to use, we can use for changing the backdrop of the stick. So now next is that you can see here. So this is the, you can see like when you will open this backdrop library, as I told that this library is divided into two category, that is called category and theme. Two sections it divided, category and theme. So you can select from here. Suppose it was this one was selected, so see here the background is now same type of the here. So this is to for the changing the backdrop of the stack. Okay, now next you can see using motion block. So now we know that total how many color blocks are there. Total 10 colors blocks are there. So one by one we will study about this block. So already we study about the shape blocks. So their total shape blocks were how many total shape blocks? 6. So about that we have studied, already we have studied. Now we will study about the color blocks. So there are total 10 color blocks. So first one is motion block. So motion block are the blocks that control sprites movement. These blocks are color coded medium blue. So which what is the color of this motion block? Medium blue. Okay, its the color is medium blue. So by this block we can control the motion of the sprite. So already you know about these things, and already I have given the previous video there how to use these all blocks. Okay, so I no need to explain it much. So you know about this, like move 20, so sprite will move 20 step, turn 15 degree, sprite will move turn 15 degree right clockwise, like turn left side 15 degree. Okay, go to x coordinate, y coordinate. So x coordinate, like we will give the value, block will like the block set, block will move the specified position of x y is according to the value given. Go to the mouse pointer, the block instruct the sprite to follow mouse pointer and another or other sprite. So wherever your mouse pointer will be there, so your sprite will move that side by the help of this. Like glide, this block moves the sprite smoothly or specified xy position in the specified amount of second. So in this in 1 second, how many steps, or where it have to where it has to go, where it have to move, it will be moved according to this value given here. So this is the use of this glide blocks. Okay, next is that, okay, so like this program is there, this is scratch program. Okay, using motion block, how it will move, like we know that it's always this flag means that which type of block it is. It is a head block. It started with a head block, and there are some these are the this type of, these are the stack block. Which type of block? Stack block. Okay, stack block. Okay, and these are the motion block. Okay, so there were all the values are given, like go to glides and all that. Okay, so this our sprite will move. So you can also see there are total 3 sprites are taken. Okay, and there, okay, these are the program. So this one you have, this program you can practice on your computer. Okay, next is the look block. Look block are the color coded, and its a color is purple. Okay, its a color is purple, and this block control appearance. So how it's look. Okay, the cloth of the sprites remain unchanged. Look, so the clothes of a sprite remain unchanged. Look block change appearance by changing posture and color of the sprite. So what it does, it's changing the posture. Okay, posture and color of the sprite. Okay, the clothes of the sprite remain unchanged, that cloth will be not changed. Okay, so only what will be changed, it's a posture and sprite color. Okay, next, this blocks like a switch costume to the costume to. This block change the sprite costume to the specified one. Okay, so which this block will change the sprite costume to whatever we specified, it will be changed to that. So this is the switch costume. Switch backdrop, so this block change the stack background to the specified one. So here that background will change, here sprite will change, here background will change. Next costume, so it will go to the next costume. This block change the sprite costume from current costume to the next one in the sprite list. If the current costume is the last in the list, the sprite will take the first one. If it is the last, suppose next costume is different costume we have given, so that will be changed, okay, to the next. If it is at if it is at the last, so this last will again, it will go to the first. Say hello, this display the sprite with speech bubbled containing the specified text. So here is written hello, so in the bubble it will say hello. Okay, next is that think this block give the sprite the bubble with specified text. Again it will come in the bubble, like SMM is there, so that will display here with the time specified. So for particular time it will be displayed. Next is our, these all are about the look block, how it will look. So hide, like a show block, this help to display sprite if it is hidden. If our block is sprite is hidden, it will show. Hide sprite will show, and this blocks will hide the sprite. So which will is you want to hide your sprite, that you can do size, change size by 10, graphics select. Okay, so like this clear graphics, if you use any graphics that you can clear, set color, okay, you can change the color. So all the appearance part you can do it. Already I have given previous video, in that it is very these blocks are already I have explained in that video. Okay, next is that our working with multiple sprite. So as we know that in the scratch program we can use multiple sprite also, we are not limited with the one, so we can use the multiple sprite. So we can select the multiple sprite, we can delete the sprite also. Okay, so these are the steps you can see to how to, suppose this sprite we have selected this. Okay, so from the library, what is the step? Click on the choose sprite library, then sprite library dialog box will open. Choose the people from the category section. So these are the category section. In this category section you can choose it. Okay, so as I told that this backdrop is divided into two sections, that is theme and category. Okay, so you can select it from the category section. So you can choose the multiple multiple sprite also you can choose. See here, two are there we have selected, so from here you can choose the multiple sprite. Okay, so like, and also then after selecting the multiple sprite, you can write the program for the particular sprite. So for this sprite, this is the script, and for this sprite, this is the script. So for the different sprite, we write the different program, different script, and then it will run. So one more thing we should know, there are total 21 different built-in instrument sound blocks. So total how many instrument sound blocks are there? Total 21. Okay, so this sound blocks, about sound blocks also you will study. So here you can see, after writing this one, multiple sprite has been used here, and we can run by the by clicking on this flag, and this sprite will run. Okay, so these things you can practice in your computer. So next is our pen block. Okay, so how many total instruments is there? How many sound blocks total is there? 21. So that you should also know. Then next is our pen block. So we know that about the pen block. Pen block are green colored. Which what is its color code? Green. Okay, these blocks are used to draw a trail or as a sprite move on the stick. So as our sprite will move, it will write. The pen color has different shape, vary from lightest to darkest. So that pen color, that the weightage of the pen that will be, is a shade will be lightest to the darkest. The pen shade varies from 0 to 100. So it's vary from 0 to 100. 0 is the darkest. So always you must remember, 0 is the darkest one, 0 is the darkest one, and 100 is the lightest one. Okay, so when the value is the 0, it will be the darkest. When the value is 100, it will be the lightest. So like these blocks are there in this pen block, like clear. This block used to remove all marks made by pen or stamp. Okay, so it will remove all the marks done by the pen. This is for the clear. Pen down, these blocks make sprite continuously draw a trail where it moves, so it will draw. Pen up, so this block will sprite pen up, means then if you select this pen up, means you will not write, the sprite will not write anything. Okay, next is that our, like a set pen color, we can choose the pen color, change pen color by 10. The block change the pen color by the specified value pen color. So this is about the pen block. Okay, so already we know about these things, you know already how to use this pen block. So what is the uses of this? Already I have explained about this all the block. So I'm giving the quick review of this all. You just, it is a quick revision. So likewise we can write the programs, and this sprite will move like this. So after writing this, you can practice it also. Okay, this program you can practice. So this is the script for the star sprite. So it will write star, it will draw the star. Okay, So next is that making a duplicate of sprite. So how this duplicate sprite will be there. So there is a step like create duplicate copy of the sprite. For that we have to use the stamp. So we know that the stamp will be used for the write the same one, means the that will copy that stamp duplicate. Okay, drag out the blocks motion and pen blocks plate as shown figure. So what are the step? You can see first we use the stamp, move 50 step, pen down, change the pen color by 20, then set pen size 20 if the edge is bounce. So what will happen? So this is stamp means this sprite will be copy again and again, and it will move to the 50 step here. Okay, so it will move 50 step there, and if there is the edge means the boundary of this window will occur. So it will, when it this sprite will touch to this boundary, so what from here it will be bounce back. So this is the edge. If the edge, then it will be bounce back and it will move again opposite direction. Okay, so this is to making the duplicate of the sprite. So we have to use only the which block? Stamp block. So by the help of stamp blocks we can make the duplicate. Okay, next is that sound block. So as I told that there are total 13 sound blocks available. So there are total how many sound blocks are there? 13. But as I told that there are 21 different inbuilt instruments. Okay, instrumental sound or instrumental are there, that is 21. Okay, that is 21. But actually how many sound blocks? If I ask only sound blocks, so there is total 13 sound block, and its the color code is pink. Which color? Pink. Okay, so for this, like a play sound, some sound like meow, sound block, stop all the sound, this block, this play sound block, this block play a specific sound without pausing the script. Okay, likewise these are the blocks used for the playing the sound, for the how to use the sound in your scratch program. Okay, so these things already I have you can see my last video. In that already it is very nicely it is explained there by you can now you can see while selecting the note, always remember the higher number will be play the high pitches. So when you select the higher number will play the higher pitcher. So means you have to select the higher number, the value will be the, if the high number, so it's a pitch sound will be the higher. Like set value for 100%, so block set the sprite volume to the amount 100%. Okay, so you can see this program, you can practice like this. You write this program for this to play the drum sound, different drum sound. So this, and also it will be very nice, this sprite will dance with the sound. So making the sprite dance. So this way it will be dance also. So this you can select this program, you can write. Okay, so this is about the scratch. Okay.